Hey, Goldie wants y'all to know that the struggle you're in today is the strength you need for tomorrow. That's right, so let's keep singing until we develop that voice that we are working so hard for.
Click on head and click.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I'll be real, my mic way clear, man.
Yeah.
Than the other one. It's probably better to use my mic for real. Yeah. Okay. See, I ain't know when it come in. I have a hard. Okay. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed through the twilight's last gleaming? Well, did I rush you fast?
Yeah, that was a little too slow. So. Oh, say,
Can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed through the twilight's last gleaming?
No, that's gleaming. Go right.
Gleaming.
Right, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So 1, 2, 3.
Oh, say,
My bad. So it'll be 8 counts of 4. So it'll be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then sing.
Oh,
Right.
say,
So
can-
it'll be like 1. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, say,
Yeah.
can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed through the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight? All the ramparts we watched whistle gallantly screaming. Them right there. See, that's the part right there.
Right,
We gonna
right,
have to.
right.
So if we could record them to that point right there.
Okay.
But I guess you want to go over the couple more, make sure.
Yeah.
Let me pull this up a little bit.
Yeah. It actually sounds good, man.
Word.
Yeah.
Put the right energy in them.
That's
man.
real. That's real.
Yes, sir. And the voice just gonna get better and better, brother.
Right. So, do this. Speak it real quick. Just speak.
Mic check, 1, 2.
Just speak. Oh, say.
Oh, say,
Don't say it,
can
just say it.
you see?
Yeah, just speak it.
Oh, say, can you see?
There you go.
Oh, say, can you see?
Next part.
Oh, say, can you see?
Next part.
By the dawn's early light,
There you go.
what so proudly we hailed through the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes
Right there.
and
Right. Whose broad stripes and bright stars?
whose broad stripe and bright stars.
Right there.
Through
Whose
the
bright?
whose broad stripes and bright stars. Through the perilous
fly.
Now, see, this is the thing. I don't want to really do that course. Let me tell you why. Because I want to put some style to it, and I ain't putting no style.
Right.
So the best thing for us to do, let's make sure the notes sound good. If
Right.
anything, just keep bringing me in. You
Okay.
feel me?
I got you.
Because it sounds too forward to me, like that ain't
Right.
a
Yeah.
style. Because if I start singing like that, I feel like I'm saying this. Oh, say, can you see?
Right. Yeah.
By the dawn's early light. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed through the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight, all the ramparts we watched with so gallantly screaming.
Word.
So my thing is, like, it's nothing wrong with you singing the Star Spangled Banner like that, right?
Right, no, because you're doing your own thing.
Yeah, that's what.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So we wanna let's record it up to there
Okay. Yeah.
and then see how it goes.
See how it sound.
Yeah.
Just kind of point me in on the beginning. I keep getting jammed up right there.
I got you. So you want it with the click or no click?
Without the click. Let's try it without. I don't think I need that.
Word.
Oh, say, can you see? Oh, say, can you see? Okay. I can hear him, but barely hear him in there. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed through the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight, all the ramparts we watch with so gallantly screaming. Training. This is. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what a proudly